Has someone asked you to be their forever account manager? Maybe you're not even quite sure what that means. I'm here to tell you what forever is and what being an account manager for someone means. Let's go. I'm Molly Bartelt. I own Pixologie, where we've been organizing and preserving family photos for our clients over 10 years. We have tested many photo management options, and if you want to see some of those, you can watch the video up there. We've also worked on educating our clients and teaching them how to use various programs. Hands down, we think that forever is the simplest solution for people to enjoy and work with their pictures today, share them, and pass them on to future generations. We've been ambassadors for over 7 years, and we're proud to recommend it to our clients. So what is Forever? Is it just another cloud storage site? No. Forever is permanent cloud storage, and it's for your photos, your videos, and family documents. You pay for the storage that you need. You can always add more, and we highly recommend that you pay for the video streaming plan so you can enjoy your family videos on any device that you are using them with. Now, there are a few major reasons why Forever is so different from the other big tech solutions like Google Photos and iCloud Photos, even Amazon Photos. Those big tech companies have a low monthly cost, but they're lacking in some really important features. The first feature is the ability to add and edit and view metadata. Now, metadata is the information that is attached to your picture. The fields of metadata that we care about are the description or comments and tags or keywords and date taken. Forever is the easiest program to edit it, share the photo so that other people can see the information you've added to the picture, the story of who's who, and maybe the real date the picture was taken, not the date it was scanned on. And you can see an example of what that looks like here. The next area that Forever excels in, I think, is its organization options. With Forever, from the library view to the albums view, you can organize and sort your pictures in a way that makes sense to you and that your family will enjoy seeing today and in generations to come. The third area that I think there's a big difference is Forever is private storage. The company will never data mine the information that's in your pictures. Our pictures tell a lot about our lives. Forever will never share that information. It is private, but Forever allows you to invite connections to view your albums, the albums that you want them to see. In addition, those connections can further be designated as account managers. There's no other tech company that's going to allow someone to be in your account, managing your account for you like this. The final feature I want to point out is that Forever guarantees its storage. A portion of the purchase price goes into the Forever Guarantee Fund. And this money is only to be used for the maintenance of the storage and to migrate your pictures and videos and documents to the newest technologies that we don't even know is going to come yet. So this is really something that no other company is talking about, how to pass your collection on to the future generations that will come after you. I'm hoping this helps you understand why your family member chose Forever to store their photos, videos, family documents, stories, and legacies. Now let's talk about being an account manager. First things first, account managers do need to have a free intro account, but they never need to purchase storage, and they never have to even upload one photo to their own account. You just have to have the intro account so that the family member can designate you as the account manager. When you create your free account, you will receive a $20 coupon that you can use for photo prints or a gift in the print shop. It's not something that you even have to use at all, but if you are, make sure to use it within 60 days because it does expire. Once you're in your free account, you'll navigate over to the Connections page. Here, you should be able to see the account of the person who invited you. Simply click on their card to go to their account. You'll see all of the albums they have been working in and that you have access to. Click in any one of the albums to view photos and their information. You can also download the photos to your computer. Now, to be managing their account, you will have to go back and click on Manage This Account. When you do that, you are now acting on behalf of the owner. And you can see that by the red bar above. Most commonly, account managers are asked to edit the descriptions of the photos or add tags. But account managers can also update existing descriptions and tags. They can change dates. They can organize photos from the library view and or the albums view as well. Lastly, account managers can also add new account managers. This is really important because there will come a day when the owner will no longer be able to manage their account. This is how the Forever Collection is passed on to future generations. No other tech company allows for this to happen. In fact, if you lose your passwords and that's not passed on, the information isn't passed on down, you could be locked out of Google, locked out of Apple iCloud Photos, locked out of Amazon. And it's pretty hard to get tech support there. As the account manager, it may be just as simple as adding the who's who on a photo. Or maybe it's going to be a longer term thing where you're the account manager for your parents and maybe someday you'll be passing it on to your children or nieces or nephews who will pass it on to theirs. It's really a great role, and I hope that this video has helped answer some questions that you might have. If not, leave them in the comments below and I will be happy to answer them. And if you want to see a better comparison of Forever to Amazon Photos as an example, watch this video next. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again.